Only a few kits left. Get yours before they're all gone. Who is Jason Hanson? Jason Hanson is a former CIA officer who proudly defended America against its enemies, earning 2 exceptional performance awards in the process. Please watch this till to the end. I have a special gift for you. During that time, he witnessed firsthand how quickly society can collapse and descend into lawlessness when faced with a widespread crisis. After leaving the agency, Jason decided to help others protect their homes. Using similar technology to the CIA, Jason developed a home security system to defend your family and property. What's inside the anti-looter kit? 2x integrated all-angle motion sensors. Just imagine coming home at night, going inside, and without warning getting ambushed by a looter. With these motion detectors, you'll always enter your home without worry, knowing it's no different than when you left it. It's like having your very own personal security guard keep an eye on your house even when you're not there. This ingenious gadget uses a powerful infrared sensor to detect any unusual movement inside your home when you're away. You can even connect it to your smartphone to receive an instant notification if an unwanted visitor is roaming through your house. It can also be hooked up to a lamp or a TV, turning them on automatically when the motion sensor is activated. The early warning perimeter. Tripwire used by intelligence operatives. This tripwire is an early warning system that will alert you when a burglar or looter has entered your perimeter. This simple but brilliant device protects your home, front yard, backyard, and garage by connecting a nearly invisible wire to 2 separate points. If an intruder trips the wire, a loud ringing sound will warn you and those around you before they ever reach your doorstep. That way, you'll be more than ready to properly welcome your uninvited guest. Take it with you when camping to secure your perimeter from any curious animals. The dual-function alarmed door, jammer. This is not just a regular door stopper. It's actually a very powerful portable security alarm that'll wake you up if a burglar tries to break through your door. Slide the door stopper under your front door, and you'll get a good night's sleep knowing your door is alarmed throughout the night, even when staying in a place you've never been before, like a hotel or Airbnb, where many people may have the access key. Its wedge shape will also prevent the door from opening. The harder they push, the more effective it becomes at blocking their entry. The door stopper works on tile, wood, cement, and even carpet. The blackout-proof floodlight. Most break-ins happen at night when burglars can spend time getting into your house under the cover of darkness. With this powerful floodlight, you'll know right away if someone's trespassing. But if you're not home, anyone trying to get into your house is more likely to be spotted by a passerby or neighbor. They'll think twice and move on to find an easier target. The floodlight is quick and easy to install. There are no power cables or batteries involved, so you'll never have to worry about it not working when the power grid goes down. And if this wasn't enough, Jason designed it in the shape of a surveillance camera to serve as a double deterrent. 4x stealth door and window alarms. The anti-looter kit includes 4 window sensor alarms and 2 remotes to share with your family members. Not only will you sleep well at night knowing the most vulnerable areas in your home are well protected, but you'll never worry when you're at work or on vacation that someone's breaking into your house. The sensors are very discreet and specifically designed to blend in and not be noticed. Hit the panic button to let everyone know that something's wrong and you need help, or the function button to turn the alarm into a doorbell. That way you'll always know when someone's coming in and out. A warning sign can serve as a great deterrent, an open invitation, or it could send you to jail. Nothing in this house is worth your life. Just think about what a looter looking for his next target thinks when he reads it. Besides that, the sign doesn't imply any action from the homeowner, but it's clear enough to make the looter move on to the next house. Waterproof X shock-resistant tactical case. The anti-looter kit comes inside a waterproof and shock-resistant tactical carrying case for easy transport. The case is made of an impact-resistant polymer plastic that makes it light but sturdy enough to withstand a 7-foot drop. The padded foam interior has precise cutouts for safely securing the kit's contents. There are 2 latches on each side to ensure a tight and solid closure, plus 2 additional padlock loops for added insurance. Padlocks not included. If these ingenious devices are effective against highly trained spies, terrorists, and enemy soldiers, imagine how they will protect your house from common looters, burglars, and trespassers, especially in a crisis when law enforcement will be too busy to help you. If these ingenious devices are effective against highly trained spies, terrorists, and enemy soldiers, imagine how they will protect your house from common looters, burglars, and trespassers, especially in a crisis when law enforcement will be too busy to help you. Plus the anti-looter. Home Defense Guide, one of the things you'll find inside is the detailed instructions with pictures so you can follow along step by step as you install the anti-looter kit on your property. But since this kit is so simple and intuitive to install, most people aren't using it for that. Instead, they read about the special tactics that intelligence operatives learn. Things like how to become invisible in a crisis, sneaky ways to outsmart intelligence agencies when they're tracking you, ingenious DIY traps for unwanted intruders, how to become a gray man, the first 72 hours after SHTF, how to survive martial law, ways to source antibiotics and other survival meds without a prescription, and many, many more things you'll find only inside this guide. You'll also find out how to secure every blind spot on your property, places like your backyard, driveway, porch, garage door, and others that you're probably not even aware of. The Anti-Looter Kit comes with 2 free gifts. If you decide to take advantage of the Anti-Looter Kit today, you'll also receive 2 exclusive gifts, but we can only promise this offer for the first 250 units. The first one is called 75 Items That You Need to Stockpile Before the Collapse. Written by longtime survivalist Claude Davis, this guide will show you the items that you absolutely need to have before a crisis hits, so you know you're safe and protected and never need to worry about starving. These 75 items are for everyday Americans who are going through hard times financially, so don't think that you're going to have to spend thousands of dollars to prepare for the worst. The second one is called The Most Effective Remedies That We Lost to History. Inside, you'll discover things like the driveway weed that has Xanax-like effects, the natural painkiller growing in your backyard, how to use and mix salt, oil, and this herb to restore your gums naturally, nature's doxycycline, and many other forgotten remedies our ancestors used when the going got tough. So today, if you get the Anti-Looter Kit, you'll also receive these 2 unique gifts, which would normally cost you a total of $64 for free. So today, if you get the Anti-Looter Kit, you'll also receive these 2 unique gifts, which would normally cost you a total of $64 for free. There's absolutely no way the damage from a home invasion can ever be measured in dollars. It's impossible to put a price on the trauma that never goes away, lifelong injuries, or even worse, the loss of a family member. To put things into perspective, the average property value stolen during residential burglaries in the United States in 2022 was $50,026. The average security system in the U.S. is around $2,000, $3,000. Even worse, they're unreliable as they depend on the power grid. Even if it's not a blackout, burglars can just cut the power source. so you can have peace of mind knowing my looter kit will arrive at your doorstep, or simply check my bio.